Hello guys, how you doing? This is your friend Coach Red. I had an idea. I want to make a poll to ask you something very specific. I want to ask you one simple question that's have great impact and can pretty much determine in which way you want to go in your life, in your daily activities, or as I'm coaching people today, what you want in your way of quitting smoking. So basically, this question will bring you on a place where you want to be when you quit smoking. So my question is, what do you want to do? What do you want to bring in your life instead of smoking? Did you think about that? Sounds stupid, isn't it? But it's not. You had something in your life before you start smoking. So at one point you told okay, this could be interesting. So you have bring cigarettes in your life, but you also push something out of your life. Once you ask yourself, what are you missing that smoking won't let in your life? So, for the other people who are not smokers but found this subject interesting, question is what do you want to change in your life and bring on that place that you changed. So, thank you very much. And what impact that's gonna have in your life. Thank you very much.